All right, guys, in this video, I've had a couple of requests from people about SimpleSwap and how simple it actually is. So in this video, we're going to go over how actually simple it is, all puns intended. Okay, now what is SimpleSwap? SimpleSwap exchanges cryptocurrency for you. Now you don't need to create an account. You don't need to log in. And as a matter of fact, you don't even need to connect a wallet like other decentralized exchanges. I'm going to walk you through that here. But first and foremost, every time that you're dealing with crypto, make sure you're on the right website. Okay, simpleswap.io for this website. Now, what is this? This has a whole bunch of different swaps that you can do. All right, in this instance, let's say we want to trade some Solana. And what do we want to get for that Solana? We want KASPA. Okay. We're going to type in how much Solana we're willing to trade for the KASPA, 5 Solana. And I'm going to receive 8,909 KASPA. We are going to hit exchange. Okay. Wallet address, super simple. Click there, paste. This is my actual address. If anyone wants to send me KASPA, free plug right there. The refund Solana address. Make sure where you are sending your Solana from, you want to paste that here in this section. In case there is a refund, it goes right back into your wallet. Okay, you're going to hit create exchange. And there it is. All right, this is the deposit address. So the 5 Solana, wherever you're sending that from, you're either going to copy that and put it in that wallet to send it, or you're just from your phone going to scan this QR code and it'll automatically do it. All right, you will receive this in this address and you go through the steps. It does take a few minutes to a half hour, but I promise you, I've used this several times for several different currencies, and this thing is amazing. If this video helped you and someone else needs to see it, hit that like button and hit that share and share with a friend or a loved one, right? Wealth transfer is here. I want everyone to be a part of it. And I will continue to make videos as long as you continue to watch. Hope each and every one of you have a blessed day. I hope this video brought you value. See you in the next one. God bless.